my recap of It's Time for the 3 o'clock next. The intro starts the same way as the first 2 episodes, but in a VHS tape. Then it cuts to a weather station. Then it cuts to a bunch of different scenes, and then the episode actually starts. Quark is unfazed by all the fire. Refuel Station tries to extinguish Quark, but accidentally sets himself on fire instead. Animatic and Green Goof fall starting the intro. Last episode, Wheel, the Sun, 57 Ball, Green, and Vase could not catch up to the finish line, so they're up for elimination. There are 3 comments, but I won't go into detail because of the third. This time we got 4,593 votes. The Sun is the first one safe, with 1,673 votes. Wheel is also safe. Quark does not explain what happened to Fell Container. Anyways, Green is also safe. So now it's down to 57 Ball and Vase. Vase is safe with 567 votes. I don't really know the characteristics of everyone very well. Quark denies doing anything to Fell Container, and 57 Ball is replaced by a popcorn machine. Green is confused, but Quark goes straight to the challenge. Polkadot asks Noe to tag along, and Noe accepts. Polkadot flies Noe over the recommended contestants. Polkadot also forgot about Refuel Station, but more on that later. The third challenge is to give Quark some water. The first 4 people to do so are safe. The others are up for elimination. Quark goofs off, but then recovers Vase. Wheel flies past Vase. Refuel Station arrives and asks what the challenge is. Wheel tries to fill a cup of water using Refuel Station. Everyone else arrives and waits their turn. However, Quark pushes Refuel Station and says that using him is not allowed, the reason being that using him is unfair. But since the water is still half full, Quark tries it on himself and explodes. Wheel is safe. Now everyone else can do the challenge. Noe goes with Words with Friends towel and appreciates the cups that Quark gave them. But Words with Friends towel brags about a fruit he recently ate. Much later, the characters arrive on a lake that apparently wasn't discovered before. The sun vaporizes a portion of water into a cloud, and it condenses into rain. Even though she's inspired, Vase still scoops up water. Wheel seals the cloud and uses it to absorb a lot of water from the lake. Vase demanded that Wheel return the cloud, but Wheel refused. Polkadot chooses a portal leading to a sitcom. Polkadot replaces one of the characters' water glass with a thanks for the water note. Polkadot gives Quark the water, causing it to break. Polkadot is safe. Words with Friends towel finds a fruit that is similar to the one he just ate, but it is stolen by Green. Angered, Words with Friends towel pushes Green into a bush. After a bit of arguing, Noe decides on rock, paper, scissors. Meanwhile, Wheel's cloud gets attacked. The culprit is the Sun, accompanied by Vase. Vase orders the Sun to fire another blast, which causes Wheel to explode. Words with Friends tell Noe play rock, paper, scissors, but they both end up with scissors. Then they tie at rock. Then they give up and try jumping in the lake at the same time, but it is dried up by Wheel. Green is in bad shape, so Words with Friends towel takes the fruit, but they all get squashed by water. Vase comes back with 2 full cups of water. Quark pulls a Kirby on the cups. Vase and the Sun are both safe because the second cup belongs to the Sun. Noe and Refuel Station are both too late for the water. They, along with Green and Words with Friends towel, are all up for elimination. The singer is 50 seconds of both a cooking show and an ident on Jasonville TV.